Welcome to today's episode where we're embarking on an in-depth exploration of why XRP investors could be on the verge of a significant breakthrough. As we reflect on the events of 2021, it's apparent that XRP's journey was marked by unique challenges, notably legal obstacles that seemed to impede its growth. However, what if these hurdles weren't merely stumbling blocks, but rather calculated maneuvers aimed at deterring potential investors like us from fully embracing XRP? Let's unpack this notion further. You are welcome to Crypto World Educate. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe and the like button. Don't forget to toggle on the notification button so as not to miss further updates from this channel. At the core of XRP lies its foundational purpose, meticulously articulated in its white paper. Far beyond being just another digital currency, XRP is engineered to streamline transactions across a spectrum of assets in an increasingly digital world. With the pervasive shift toward tokenization, XRP's capacity to facilitate the transfer of both monetary and asset-based tokens positions it as a linchpin in the evolving financial landscape. Is an intriguing aspect of XRP's potential lies in its ability to revolutionize the remittance market by addressing liquidity challenges. Consider the current banking framework for an international transfer of, say, $200 million from a Japanese bank to an American counterpart. Double that amount is typically required to facilitate the transaction. However, with XRP's capability to enable near instantaneous transactions, this liquidity bottleneck could be substantially mitigated, heralding a new era of efficiency in global remittances. Despite facing legal headwinds, XRP has exhibited remarkable resilience, forging partnerships with a multitude of banks and financial institutions worldwide. Notably, recent legal victories and the prospect of going public underscore confidence in XRP's technology and its potential for future growth. As investors with a vested interest in XRP, we've navigated through highs and lows alongside this cryptocurrency. While its performance in previous bull markets may have fallen short of expectations, recent technical analyses suggest a promising trajectory ahead. The striking parallels between current trends and the lead up to the 2017 surge cannot be overlooked, with projections hinting at a potential resurgence. Looking forward, 2024 emerges as a pivotal juncture for Ripple and XRP, with advancements in stablecoins and the XRP ledger poised to reshape the cryptocurrency landscape. However, amidst the excitement, it's imperative to maintain a prudent approach to investing, emphasizing diversification to mitigate risk. In summary, XRP's journey has been characterized by trials and triumphs, but the potential for growth and innovation remains undeniably high. As we navigate the complexities of the evolving market, XRP stands out as a beacon of promise, offering investors a unique opportunity to partake in the digital revolution reshaping our financial systems. So buckle up, dear viewers, for the journey ahead promises to be nothing short of exhilarating. As we set our sights on the horizon, let us remember that in the realm of cryptocurrencies, fortune favors the bold. And with XRP leading the charge, the future has never appeared more promising. But before we wrap up, let's delve deeper into the notion that the SEC, perhaps influenced by external forces, may have sought to deter retail investors from XRP. Despite the legal saga Ripple endured, the growing number of banks aligning with Ripple underscores XRP's resilience and potential. Notably, XRP stands out as one of the few cryptocurrencies with clear legal status, avoiding classification as a security. This clarity positions XRP to potentially expand its share in the overall cryptocurrency market, supported by technical indicators hinting at its upward trajectory. Looking ahead, Ripple's focus on developments in the XRP ledger and advancements in stablecoins signals a new chapter in its journey. During a recent conference, Ripple CTO David Schwartz shed light on the forthcoming stablecoin and enhancements in automated market makers' AM and lending protocols. This upcoming Ripple stablecoin, backed by deposits in US dollars and short-term US government securities, caters to institutions unable to directly engage with digital currencies, but seeking to leverage the XRP ledger's capabilities. In conclusion, as we navigate the ever-evolving cryptocurrency landscape, XRP emerges as a compelling investment opportunity with significant potential for growth. However, it's vital to exercise caution and maintain a diversified portfolio, especially in the volatile crypto market. As Ripple charts a course toward innovation and regulatory compliance, the stage is set for XRP to redefine its role in the digital economy. So stay tuned, as the journey with XRP promises to be a thrilling ride filled with opportunities and discoveries. Don't miss out on valuable insights and actionable tips that can potentially shape your financial future. Then hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join our vibrant community of crypto enthusiasts. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of cryptocurrencies and uncover the untapped potential that lies within.